In this video, I'll show you how to get old WordPress editor. If you want to know how it's done in this video, is free. So as of right now, the actual editor for my home WordPress is the actual block editor. So for example, let's head over to one of our pages and then let's see if what our editor will be. So when you try to edit this particular page, as you can see on this case right here, it will open the block editor. So once it's done loading, you should be able to see the block editor from here. So here's our block editor. As you can see, the block editor supports the type in the slash, for example. So if you type in here a slash, you should be able to add blocks, or when you click on this one, you should be able to also add some blocks using this particular block editor. Now, if you want to switch on it, what we can do is we can actually install a plugin. So let's head back right here to our dashboard. And then from in here, scroll down until you can see the options for plugins. Click on this Add New Plugin, and then from in here, it will show you the plugin marketplace of the WordPress itself. So once it's done loading, you should be able to see some applications or plugins that you can add. So for this particular one, let's try to search in here for the plugin that you want, which is the Classic Editor theme. So let's search in here for Classic Editor. And then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see some particular search results that will allow you to actually install those particular apps. So here's Classic Editor right here. So what you can do is you can actually install it. As you can see, it's free. So click on this particular plugin, and then you can see it right here. Click on this Install and Activate. This will actually disable the block editor, and as you can see, it's installing the plugin. What you can do is you can click on this Manage Plugin right here. And then once you have done that, it will redirect you to the settings of this particular plugin. So as you can see, this is that plugin. It will show us the plugins that we have right here. So when you scroll down, you should be able to see in here this Classic Editor as well as the Classic Editor Plus right here. So what we can do in order to change it from Block Editor to Classic Editor is scroll down right here in the settings and then click on this writing right here. Once you have done that, it will show us the settings in order to change it. So scroll down, and from in here, you should be able to see some fewer things as well. Alternatively, you can head over to your pages, and then let's try to see what the edit button right here will do. So previously, the edit button redirect us to the block editor right here. So right now, when we click on the edit button, you can see that we have now the Classic Editor right here. And it will actually look like this. You don't need to activate it anymore because it will actually permanently disable the block editor that we have created. But it will also be disabled again once you have installed this particular plugin. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.